How to stop burglars from targeting your home. 10 tips on how to protect your home from burglars. 1. Don't leave doors and windows open. Make sure that you always lock your doors and windows securely. 2. If you do not already have one, it is well worth considering installing an intruder alarm. Make sure that either the alarm, or a notice stating that your home is fitted with an alarm system, is visible from the road in front of your property. 3. Always make sure that valuables and cash are not left in plain sight. Valuables, cash, and important personal documents should always be locked away safely. 4. Make sure that all garages and sheds are locked securely. Outbuildings are often easy targets for burglars. Very often they have locks that are inferior to those used on the main dwelling. 5. If you have trees, or hedges, growing at the front of your property, make sure that they are not allowed to grow too thick, or too high. Hedges provide excellent cover for would-be burglars wanting to gain access to your property undetected. 6. If you have gates at the front or side of your property, always ensure that they remain locked, if at all possible. Simply restricting access to your garden and the front of your house may actually be enough to deter a burglar from targeting your home. 7. Although the majority of burglaries take place during the daytime, there are, nonetheless, also a large number that are committed after the hours of darkness. Any form of low-level exterior lighting helps to deter a burglar from targeting your home. 8. If you are away in the evening, try not to make it obvious that the house is unoccupied. It is quite easy to install a programmable light switch timer that will switch your lights on and off again at pre-programmed intervals. 9. If the unthinkable happens, and you do get burgled, try to make it as easy as possible for the police and your insurance company to recognize your property if it is recovered. Engrave any items of value with your postcode or zip code. 10. Many people tend to leave their car keys in a convenient place just inside the front door. This may be convenient for the homeowner. Unfortunately, it is also highly convenient for anyone robbing your home.